Before we assign an assessment to students, here are a few things we need to do. First, find your assessment and open the cogwheel. Click Edit inside the cogwheel. Make sure that the assignment or assessment is enabled. This will allow boys and girls to submit the assessment to you. You also want to make sure the password is disabled, and the category, you want to move it to SBRC. Moving it to SBRC allows us to have it attached to the gradebook and come up correctly with our standards that we have in there. Also make sure it's on the standards-based scale, not the numeric. If it's on the numeric scale in the gradebook, you will see it out of a point total of 100, not a point total of 3. Once you've made those changes, click Save Changes. Now there's one more thing you want to do. You want to also check that every question is attached to a standard so that, again, when it goes to the gradebook, the question has a place to go. Without a standard, the question doesn't have a home to attach to. We can see up in the top left-hand corner, our submissions are enabled. Students will now be able to submit their work to you, and you are able to score it. To check to see if each question is attached to a standard, you will click on each question. Once you click on each question, you can scroll down to the bottom. Find where it says Learning Objectives. When we are attaching these learning objectives, we are not attaching a Common Core standard. We are attaching a Common Core identifier with a report card statement attached to it. So when we do that, we will open up our learning objectives. We will choose Custom Learning Objectives and School. From School, we will choose SMCPS Standards Report Card Based Statements. Once you are in the statement part, you will choose the appropriate grade level and then the subject area. Once in the subject area, you are able to choose one or more of the statements that you would like represented and scored by each question. When you are done, click Confirm. I'm going to click Cancel because this is already attached. Once you have done that for each question, click Save, and you will see that the learning objective is attached to each question and shown on the front. Nothing more is needed to be done here. You can preview your test to see what it looks like, or you can just go ahead and exit out because all of your changes are automatically saved for this assessment.